Got a new shipment in. Wasn't expecting it. Figured we'd do an unboxing. Little Deborah zebra cakes. Some of you are very twisted. And you know it. But we'll do an unboxing. 2 per pack. 5 packs per box. Come and get them. Twisted mofos.